Action. We are from Group 1. We will present our drama about introduce nursing process. In PSIK Unan Muski, there are several students were discussing after they finished praying.
Which one, guys? About the second process. Oh, nothing process, not yet. What do you choose? I also have not finished yet. Where do you from, Group? Oh, I'm from Group 2. And you? Oh, I'm from Group 1. Group 1 has tried to discuss it with our friends today, but they still don't understand. So did us. Why don't we ask our sister of B11? Or maybe they can help us because they have more experience in nursing. There are 6 students from B11 who just finished praying. Can I ask you something? Yes, how can I help you? We have a talk about nursing process, but it's too hard for us to understand about it. Have you learned about nursing process? Yes, we have. What is the process? Okay. If we have to understand the role of nursing, do you know what the objective of nursing? Oh yes, I know. The objective of nursing are to help individuals to maintain basic needs and high autonomy. What do you think, Yani? It's correct. Best behavior includes communication, observation, support education, and prevention of care. Process is the combination between critical thinking and problem solving. What does this mean? As a nurse, we have to think critically when we help patients solve the problem. We use the mix of inquiry, knowledge, logic, and experience. How about the test? Does we always use it?
Yes, of course. The step is as a guide for us to work effectively.
I know the 5 steps of learning process, but can you explain more?
The step is case assessment. Here we collect data about information patient like identity, physical examination, history patient, and then we nursing diagnosis. The third step is planning. In this step, we develop goals for the care and nursing activities. Then we implement our plan by giving actual nursing plan. And the last step is evaluate. I think that's all.
Now I understand why we need to evaluate the nursing step. The evaluation used to measure of the effective of the nursing care. Do you wish to use the test sequentially? Yes, of course. On the step, because in hospital so many work that you have to do. Do it step by step. Because when you skip one step, you cannot do the next step correctly. Those children who have some medical problem will have its consideration. Yes, I had to diabetic patient before. Do you remember our diabetic patient? Yes, Mr. Ahmad and Mr. Yudi. Both patients must learn to give themselves insulin by injection. Mr. Ahmad have no knowledge about diabetic, but Mr. Yudi care for his diabetic mother for years. So, in making nursing plans for both patients, we have to consider the specific learning needs. Easy to understand? Yes. No, I understand. What book you recommend us to read so we can understand more about nursing process? I have books, but I forget the title. If you need, I will lend it to you tomorrow, okay? Thank you very much. How about the nurses outside the country? Did they also use the nursing process? Yes, they are even more focused than we are. And general concepts and theories that we use to refer to nursing outside the country. So let's go nursing process is various from one area to other area, right? Yes, it's related to manufacturing such as factory facilities. Here now we understand about nursing process and five that of it. So it just start book out. I am from book 4. No one of my group friends here. But I will tell them about this discussion. So we can start to make our discussion. Oh wait, I still have a question. What is the characteristic of nursing process? I just read about it. The characteristics of nursing process are based on scientific problem solving, scientific claim, orienting, scientific, and practice. Yes, that's right. From now on, we have to have this order so the nursing in the nation can move forward. Okay, thank you very much.
Across the miles, it's funny to me how far you are, but how near you seem to be. I could talk all night just to hear you breathe. I could spend my life just living this dream. You're all I'll ever need. You give me strength. You give me hope. You give me someone to love, someone to